You are all welcome to another calculation that we'll be having today. So this question says if a squared plus b squared is equal to 23ab, show that log a plus log b is equal to 2 log into bracket a plus b over 5. It's quite a very simple question. See as we go through it and solve it. Now let's start. So we'll start. Now I need to make you realize certain things before we start so that it don't look like magic. A plus b, all squared. If we expand this will give us a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So if we expand that, this man will give us that. But we need, what we are given in the question is a squared plus b squared. So we can say that a squared plus b squared, making a squared and plus b squared, so with the formula, what we have is a plus b all squared minus 2ab. So now we have been able to get this, so we can now start the question. The original question we are given is that if, remember we are given if a squared plus b squared is equal to 23ab. Let's call this I1. That's what we are given. We are given from the question. But we already know from this, let me call this, I1 and let's call this I2. This is what we are given equation from the question. This is what we are given from the question. So from one, we can say that a squared plus b squared is the same thing as a squared, a squared a plus b all squared minus 2ab, everything equals to 23 and 3ab. So we can say that, we can affirm that, because we have been given that a squared plus b squared is equal to 3, and we know that a squared plus b squared is same thing as a plus b all squared minus 2ab. So that we can now move forward from what we are given. So we can say that, let me rewrite this so that you will see. Let me just pull this. So now we can move forward from here. So now we have this. Let's start. So we can say a plus b all squared is equals to, take 2ab to the other side of the equality sign. So we have 23ab plus 2ab. So I'm just trying to, for the sake of simplification and not jumping any steps, so this is 25ab. Now you can take the log of both sides. Take the log of both sides. So if you take the log of both sides, that means I'm introducing log to both sides. A plus b all squared is equals to log 25ab Now, remember in our law of logarithm, if we are given log a, let's say mn, let me use that. Log mn is same thing as log n plus log n. So we know that. So we can split this. So we can have this man now. We can have something of this nature. So I can have this as 25 plus log a plus log b. So that's the law we are applying here. So I can so you see it very well. Let me move this to this side. I want you to see what we are doing. So we have I've applied this so that you see what we're doing, the reason why we are doing that. So this 25ab, something as 25, since it's plus, we can say 25ab. So now we are almost through. So you can take that 25 to the other side of the equality side, to the left hand side. You can now have log ab log b all squared minus log 25 is equals to log a plus log b. So the question is giving itself some shape log. So we can bring these two to the back, and then we have log a plus b minus log 5 all squared, the same thing as log a plus log b. So we are almost through. So log a plus b minus 2 log 5 equals to log a plus log b. 2 is common to both sides. 2 is common here, 2 is common. You can factorize that 2 out. So you can say 2 in bracket log a plus b bracket close minus log 5 is equals to log a plus log b. So we have that. Now you're almost through with the question. We know what minus when we are dealing with log. If a log have the same base and a subtraction, it means division. So we can have 2 into, we can have something like this, a plus b over 5 is equals to log a plus log b. Now what we have done there is, if you have something like this, so you see the reason why we are doing that. If we are given something of this nature, we have log n minus log n is the same thing as log n over n. So we can put this to this side. So now this is what we are asked to show. We have successfully done what we are asked to show. Log b is equals to 2 log a plus b 5. So that's the question, and you can see we successfully done the proof. If you look at the question, if a squared plus b squared equals to 3ab, show that log a plus log b is equals to 2 into log a plus b all over 5. And that's what we have done in this proof. You can see from here. You can see from here. You can see it from this place. So you can see it from this place, right? You can see this. That's okay. So you see what I'm saying. See, you've seen the proof of what we are asked to show. So that's it. So hope you enjoyed this. So watch out for another video, another interesting video. So don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to share this video. Thank you.